Welcome, my friends, to the first episode from Solving Math Past Paper exam series. In this series, we are going to focus on the Edexcel curriculum, and today we are going to start with the selective questions from paper 3H, May 18. Okay, let's start with question 3 in the past paper. Steve goes on a cycle ride. He cycles a distance of 40 kilometers in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Work out the average speed in kilometers per hour. Now we have a mixed units of measure for time, an hour and minute. So we have to convert 15 minutes into hours by dividing 15 by 60 will give us 0.25 hour. We can use the calculator for this division. So the total time will be equal to 2 plus 0.25 will equal to 2.25 hours. He needs the average speed in kilometer per hour, so the average speed or speed equal to distance over time. By substituting the distance in kilometer and 40 kilometer and the time for the total time 2.25, that will give us 17.777 kilometer per hours. But this is not the final answer the question need. You need to correct to the nearest whole number, which means the 17.777 will be rounded up to 18 kilometers per hour. Why? Because the number behind the decimal point is more than 5, 7, so the whole number will be rounded up to 18 kilometers per hour. By this answer, we will get the 3 marks. Okay, let's move to part B in question 3. Here Steve's salary is $28,500. He gets salary increase of 2.4%. Work out Steve's salary after the increase. In this type of questions of performing percentage increase or decrease, first we have to identify the things before increase, which is the Steve's salary, $28,500, and the things after increase, which is the Steve's salary after the increase, and the decimal equivalent of the percentage, which is 2.4% divided by 100 equal to 0.024. Then write down the equation connecting the before and after increase. Here, salary after increase equal to the salary before increase plus the amount of increase, not a percentage, the amount of increase. Here we need to write down another equation to find out the salary increase. So the salary increase will equal to salary before increase multiply the decimal amount of the percentage, and then substitute numbers to solve the equation. It will be the salary before increase, 28,500 multiply 0.024 will be around $684. This is the amount of increase that will be added, should be added to the salary before increase to get the salary after increase. Here, if we substitute, it will give us $29,184. And this is the answer. And we'll get another 3 marks for this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. Narili gets a salary of increase of 3%. Her salary increase $702. Work out Nalini's salary before increase. Now the equation in part B or question B will help us solving this question. Why? Here he asking for the salary before increase, and he has the amount of increase, which is $702, and also we have the increase percentage or the percentage amount of increase, which is 3%. We will substitute it directly to this equation, salary increase equal to salary before increase multiply percentage of increase to get the salary before increase. Now, salary increase, which is 702 will equal to salary before increase, and this is what we need. Multiply the decimal equivalent of the percentage increase, which is 0.03. So the salary increase will be equal to the 702 divided by 0.03 will equal to $23,400, and this is another 3 marks. In question 4a, describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A into shape B. Shape A is called the object, shape B is called the image for the object A. There are 4 possible transformations: reflection, rotation, transformation, and enlargement. As you see on the grid, that image B has the same size of object A. Also, 2 shapes face in opposite direction, or both shapes appears as if they are mirrored reflected. To describe the reflection, we need only mirror line equation. The mirror line should be halfway between any pairs of corresponding points on the object and the image. Let's start finding the halfway point between the point A2 on the image and the point 4,2 on the object. The halfway point between the point 8 and 4 will be 6. So this is our halfway point between the 2 corresponding points, or pairs of corresponding points, 8,2 and 4,2. Let's find another halfway point between another pairs of corresponding points. Let's, for example, the point 11, 6 and the point 1, 6. Also, we'll find the halfway point between the 2 points will be 6, 6. If we connect the 2 halfway points with a line, will give us the mirror line between the object and the image, and the equation of this mirror line x equal to 6 because it is a vertical line. So a description of the single transformation will be like a reflection in a line with equation x equal 6, and that is that. Let's move to part B in question 4. On grid, rotate shape A 180 degree about 0.40. Here, the direction of rotation does not mentioned, whether if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, because it doesn't matter in 180 degree rotation, and we'll see now why. To do the rotation, first we should mark the center of rotation on the grid at 0.40. Then join the center to any corner on object A. We can start with the nearest one, and then rotate the line 180 degree to the equivalent corner. We'll do the same thing with other 4 corners. Now we'll join the center to the second corner and rotate the line 180 degree to get the equivalent corner as we do now. And do the same with the third corner, then the fourth one. And this is the equivalent corner. Then draw the same shape rotated as we do now and name it shape C. And that is that.